Okay, as promised, here's a preview of the Prodigy console. You'll have to forgive the camera because it's on a phone and it's pretty crappy. But there's the setup, as you can see. Just got it sat next to the television. So I'm going to switch it on now. As you can see, should sync up fairly straight away. And there's the control pad synced up. And as you can see, it's loaded into XBMC fairly quickly. From here, look at weather. As you can see, with the pad, press and it'll move up, and this controls the volume at the top, as you can see. You can pretty much get full control. So move on to, I haven't got any pictures to show you, so videos. I'm going a bit blind here, so you'll have to forgive us. So we look at, say, UFC. This is in HD. And if you want to skip through, you can see it's fairly responsive. And then we can just skip through. So just press B to click back, and then you can scroll to another one. It only fills. And again, all controlled from the pad.
Hey, look at my favourite man. How's good old Del boy? So, but these do. No, Mr. Slater. Did he would? Off the phone, do he? Yeah, he would. I mean, I don't ask much of you, do I?
So just click back. And then we've got music. So just click along. And just click OK. And there's your music. You can have it on a visualization if you want. I'll just stop that. So I've chose to boot straight into XBMC, but if you want to run Steam, all you need to do is go to Programs, Advanced Launcher, Steam, so this is Steam Big Picture mode. So first option, Store. Here you can view all your games you want to buy, all the top sellers. And you can get trailers, pictures. I see it all through the pad. Library. Actually, I'll go community first. Yes, I only have 2 friends. Don't laugh. And you can actually send messages, view Steam profile. Obviously go to the library. So this is all my games. Obviously haven't managed to install them all yet, but you can see I'll go to installed. Again, this is all through the pad. So you can see achievements. Just press play. The pad acts like on the Xbox. Press the middle button and you get the Steam overlay. Press it again, it comes off. So again, all controllable through the pad. I'm going to run a benchmark because I'm holding the camera with one hand, so obviously I can't play with just one hand. As you can see, 1920 by 1080 with 4x multi-sampling anti-aliasing. Settings mostly on high. So as you can see, we averaged 74 frames per second, which is very, I would say very good for this setup. If we exit out the game, again, all using the control pad, brings us back into Steam. So we can load another game, load Portal 2. As you can see, it's very quick, very responsive. Again, have the Steam overlay. Just press the control when it loads in. Yeah, so a Steam overlay again if you want to, and fully controllable again. Sorry if my hand's shaking, I'm actually holding the camera with my arm. It's getting a bit painful here. I really need a tripod. So again, you can see fully controllable with the controller, no keyboard and mouse required. Again, you can just exit out using the control pad. Sorry if I'm losing focus slightly. So again, exit out into Steam Big Picture. So that's pretty much it. So I think I've achieved what I've set out to do. Basically a replacement console, no keyboard and mouse required, fully controllable from this pad, full media center. Any comments please, or questions, just put in the comments below. Thanks very much, bye.